Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see, we have Mr. Slow Joe.
What's up?
Last time I think it was the EK coupe that we were working on. I think we were putting on the suspension, I want to say.
Oh, yeah.
But I think that's on they saw you last. But well, it's been a while. He's gone through a car before this. Yeah, so this is his new car. He's had this for a while now. And before this, he had a DC2 and then that coupe. But this right here is a GSR DA with obviously a newer GSR, a 94. And it has a chipped ECU in it. Sucker two steps like crazy. And yeah, overall, we're gonna get this thing looking pretty good. And autocross is coming up soon, so we gotta get this ready. So first, we're gonna start with the traction bar, because I saw when I was cruising next to him, the wheels were moving back and forth, and that is not good. So, got a traction bar from eBay, and you know, overall, it looks pretty good. And then we got the radius rods right here. Looks pretty good. I think, is this the hardware? Yeah. Well, this is the hardware. Okay, so that nut right there, that nut should be the ones right there to lock it in place. So with my K-Tune one, it has adjustments on both sides where I can turn the middle. This one, I think maybe just bolts it up and then unbolt that and then turn it, I want to say. So we experimenting on this, and yeah, I'm very curious of how clapped that one is. Dude, even the rear motor mount's shot. So, but he's getting that. Don't worry. Just wait. We're cooking. We're gonna be cooking with this car.
Oh, y'all gotta wait.
We all gotta. Yep. We're gonna get this thing autocross ready. Let's get to it.
Let's get it, bro.
All right, guys. So, with doing traction bars on EFDAs, there's two bolts right there. One, if it focus, let's go over here. These two, where's my finger at? These two bolts right there, and then Daisy, you suck, okay? Serious? Oh my gosh. And then we go down here, and we get these two bolts right here, and then if you have a motor mount, take that off first, I want to say. Yeah. And then Daisy, stop barking. And then same with the other side too. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then this thing should come out, I hope, simple. Because luckily this one's not connected.
Yeah, hopefully, bro. We'll see.
We'll see.
Come on, the two.
All right, we got it off. We did a little race so we could get those bolts off. You know, I won.
Cheater, bro.
I even gave him a head start. But yeah, so we got it off. Go ahead and wiggle it. Dude, that is shot. Even in here, I don't even know if I want to take it apart to see what the bushing looks like. Even down here too. This one's worse.
There's nothing left.
There's nothing left at all. But so yeah, so now time to install this one. Looks to be probably bolt this up first. The rod, don't fall.
Big Bertha wants to go.
Big Bertha. But yeah, put the rod on, then bolt up the radius rods, and we should be done. So yeah, time to throw this hunk of junk away.
Bro, this thing's done.
Previous owners cut this for the header because he got some, almost fell. Big old headers, even. Yeah. Hey, we're not talking about that. You know what? I'm gonna throw this thing.
Dude.
All right,
you want to look at it, bro.
We finally got the traction bar in. Man, we had to bore out the front one a little bit, and yeah, well, it was like a little bit, and just we put the bolt in. Whew, I'm out of breath now. Give me a second. Yeah, so we stuck the bolts in. They were threaded, I'm guessing, to the frame. I'm not sure. Okay, so check this out. So the bolts weren't going in and screwing in. I'm guessing it's a little off, like this is a little off. So bored out the hole and then stuck the bolts in and just went in. So now that's good. Now time for the radius bars. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so we got the traction bar on, we got the radius bars on, and oh yeah, we gotta tighten these nuts down here. So tighten those nuts for the adjustment, and then we tighten those. And so now she's gonna attempt to take off that front motor mount because this doesn't actually have if I can get in there, it doesn't even have freaking anything in there. So he's just gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna tighten those nuts up and then put on the wheels. I mean, shoot, some slips on some NT05s. They have a nice design on them. But yeah, I'm gonna get to that. What the frick? All right, so we got the bar in, and dude, it's so much space, even in front right here. So much space. So much space for activities.
For real.
They're being sissy
For
bakas over
gapping
here.
activities.
Oh! But yeah, so got it on the floor, and 3 fingers on each side. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect as of right now because he needs to that line. But before he gets to the line, he needs like camera kit and all that, bushings, you know, old car stuff. Same with Rex, old car stuff. So now I'm gonna go test it out, see how responsive it feels. But the remote amount's shot, so it's gonna do the most.
Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully something better.
Alrighty guys, so probably maybe an hour. It's already 11:20. So the car was having an idling issue where it freaking rev hella high. Turned out it was that little thing, I don't even know what it's called, but I have a stock throttle body over here for a GSR. It's this one right here. So I guess they tend to, so there's like a screw, like a big screw back here, and it like backs up, or basically loosens, and it gets to a point where it will just completely just loosen, and it'll just have your engine revving high. So took his off and found out it was loose, so tightened it, and now it's running pretty good now. It's idling a little, like 100 over. I'm guessing it's the chip ECU he has in there, but I mean, it sounds way better than before. I mean, yeah.
Oh yeah, big difference.
I mean, yeah. Now time for the test drive.
Yeah, hopefully everything's all good.
Yeah. Next video you see is probably doing the tie rods and whatever else he has coming. 'Cause I don't know what this guy ordered.
All the goodies, bro.
All the goodies. He gonna get me. He gonna get me.
We'll see.
All right, I'll go for a test drive. Well, guys, it's almost 10:30 in the morning. I just got out of bed, and we're now testing it because last night, I guess, the speedo wasn't working. I accidentally disconnected the cable from the cluster. So, we got it connected, but it's a little off. Oh well. Yeah, I'm about to go test it right now. Got the 360 cam on. Can't wait for it. Maybe you'll see some flames. We'll see. Oh my. Bro, I hopped out of my seat.
Dude, it would have been so much worse with the other tractor. Like
Oh shit. Yeah, by the way, these are like eBay coilovers, I think. Yeah. Or Temu.
Timo, bro. You know eBay. eBay is better than this.
Yeah. I have the suspension the best it could for his ride height. But I mean,
yeah, it was so wonky that it couldn't.
Even the NT05s are pretty grippy.
Yeah.
Good way to start the morning, though. Wake up.
Didn't happen. Cut it out. Cut out the clip.
Yo, no way. Oh, bro.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah.
Gotta get my hand warmed up.
You gotta get the head warmed up. Yeah, dude, that first and second was so hard and your RPM worked for a second. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Well, guys, it's next day, and I forgot I recorded an outro that when we were testing it, but you know that felt pretty good. It feels more responsive. I mean, I didn't even drive it yet, but he drove it, and then being passenger, it felt more responsive. So I mean, how did it feel to you?
Oh, a lot smoother, yeah.
A lot better, huh?
Yeah, it drove a lot better.
Now, I mean, it's coilovers for sure.
Oh, yeah.
You could probably see in the video I'm bouncing all over the place.
Yeah, these things are shot.
Yeah, Timu coilovers. No, I don't even know. But yeah, more parts coming up. Yeah, mounts, coilovers, more things to come. So
Step by step.
step by step, yeah. And then so we're gonna probably have this, or most likely have this ready for autocross. That's the goal, to have this ready.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, yeah. If you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Share with friends, family. If you know they have a DA as well, keep up, because I'm gonna try to record most of the things he does. And yeah, subscribe, that notification bell on. Until next time.